Parent-teacher conference in America. What to say in English. Real-life school conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you learn how parents and teachers talk during a school meeting in America. You'll practice asking about your child's progress, understanding teacher feedback, and speaking naturally in a school environment. These are real English phrases used every day in American schools. So listen carefully, repeat out loud, and practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Starting the meeting. Hi, thank you for coming in today. Of course, thanks for meeting with me. Please have a seat. How is my child doing in class? Overall, they're doing very well. That's great to hear. They participate a lot during class discussions. I'm really happy to hear that. They're also very respectful and friendly with classmates. Wonderful. Talking about school performance. One area to work on is reading comprehension. Okay, what can I do at home to help? Try reading together for about 20 minutes every night. That usually helps students improve quickly. We'll definitely do that. You can also ask questions about the story afterward. That's a great idea. Thank you. Talking about behavior. Also, they've been a little shy during group activities. Really? They're usually very outgoing at home. That's actually very common. Some students just need more time to feel comfortable. That makes sense. We'll continue encouraging them in class. I appreciate that. Homework and classroom habits. Is there any homework they're missing? No, all assignments are turned in on time. That's great. They're very organized and responsible. Good. We've been working on that at home too. It definitely shows. Ending the meeting. Do you have any other questions for me? No, I think that covers everything. Thank you for your feedback. Of course, thank you for being involved in your child's education. Have a great evening. You too.